Well, good afternoon, YouTube family. It's your boy Big Johnny coming at you again. Man, that's good barbecue. Listen, I'm introducing for the first time to the channel Pitmaster Charlie, which happens to be my big brother. A lot of stuff I learned from him, a lot of stuff me and him learned from our father. But I'm introducing to Man That's Good Barbecue, Pitmaster Charlie. He is going to be cooking on the grill a whole, what we call piglet. We call it a piglet because it's a baby pig. And we want to send a shout out to Mr. Steve Hopkins for donating the piglet for this video. So y'all watch the video, enjoy the video, and I wish y'all was here to taste it when it got done. But hey, when it's ready, by the time y'all see this, it'll be ready and all ate up by then. So I'm gonna tell you right now, it's good. So y'all stay tuned and check out Pitmaster Charlie.
All right, people, hello there out there in YouTube land. It says I want to introduce myself. I'm not going to call myself a chef, but I'm just what you would call a little backyard cooker. And we got a little piglet here this afternoon that we're going to try and get it seasoned. We're going to get it on the grill, and we're going to show you what we do and how we do it down here in sunny South Florida. So it just so happens this is the South Florida end where my one and only Miami Dolphins play. They're playing right down the street from me today. So I just thought I'd give them a hoot. Hey, 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 Miami, go, go, go. All right, this is a little piglet that we got here. We've already marinated them. We took them and we marinated them overnight in the mojo sauce and just a little bit of Dale's seasoning. We got that on there. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna get them all spread it out here, get them laid out, and then we're gonna put some little competition rub on there. So I'm not gonna tell you like everybody else, I got a special rub in the jar that I fixed up my own self. No, this is just to let everybody know that you don't have to have a secret when you're barbecuing. All you got to do is have taste buds. And if your taste buds are working, you don't have to worry about that. Get this here open up here. Get the little shaker going. All right, we're gonna take this and like I said, we just got a little competition rub that we went down to the local store and we picked up. It's a little something that I like. And you know, I'm gonna sprinkle them on there real good and get them rubbed down. I got my grill over there getting hot and ready to go. So here we go, we're gonna start on the outside. Put your hands up high as we shake it because you want to get it all on there. Make sure the rub is on there real good. Shake it out real good. Down both sides, down the back. Small pig, but you know they say that the small piglets are the tender ones. We start out small and we work our way big. Right now we just a little something that we're trying. It's a new thing out here in sunny South Florida. Everybody think you got to be from Texas and California and all them places to know how to barbecue. But all you got to do, just have yourself a taste bud and the willingness to get out there and do what you need to do. You know, pat that rub done on there real good with that mojo. Give yourself a little bit of a glaze. Look at real good. That mojo is kind of starts the cooking process there because we got a little bit of, you got your vinegar, you got your lemon juice, you got your peppers, you got your onions, you got a little bit of all kinds of seasoning in that mojo. So we're kind of doing it with the mojo because we're down here in sunny South Florida, and you know we are very mixed down here. We do what we do. There we go, looking good, looking good, looking good. Don't be too weak with the rub, because the rub is where your flavor is. Once you get in there, it starts going out good like that. So we're gonna take a couple seconds here, and we're gonna turn them over. Get a little bit on the inside here. Get them little pork ribs done in there. Ain't much to them, but you wanna make sure you get your whole thing. You want it seasoned really good, really good. Shake that rub in there and rub it in there. Wanna get it all seasoned up. Ain't nothing to it, it ain't hard. You got to do is just have a little bit of knowledge and a willing to cook. Barbecue, barbecue, barbecue. You know what they say, man, that's good barbecue. And that's what we're creating right here now, some good barbecue. All right, take my little competition rub. We're gonna put it aside here. We're gonna make sure we rub everything down. Get them all nice. It's all juicy from the mojo. That mojo just really did a really great job on seasoning and going all the way through. So you can't beat that. So I think we got our grill just about ready. I'm gonna walk over here and check it out and see how we're looking on the grill. Okay, here we go. We're gonna get up here and we're gonna check the temperature out on this grill right here. Yeah, she's looking pretty good right now. She's running about 225 degrees. That's good for opening. We'll get her in there. We're gonna go ahead and open her up. You always want to make sure you got your grill nice and clean and oiled down. Every time you're done cooking the barbecue and you clean it, you grease it down real good. Oil your grease so your meat don't stick. So we're gonna walk over here and we're gonna get the little piglet. We're gonna bring him over here and put him on now. All right, we got a little piglet here. We're walking him right on up here. And we're gonna take him. We're gonna put him down on this end. We're gonna put the head side closer to the fire. We're gonna do what we call a little bit of an offset cook. I got my fire down on this end. We got my meat down here so it don't dry out. We're gonna spread them open, rib side down. We're gonna go ahead and close it down now. Get her temped up, ready to go. And we'll check back with it in a little bit and see how she's doing. Yeah, temperature's looking good, 225. So she's gonna rise up a little bit more. We're gonna get a little crust on it later on. So I wanted to give a little shout out to my boys over at the Bass Pro Shop. So they always give me, tease me about doing a little cooking here and a little cooking there. So I'll tell you, hey, you see me on TV, you know it's good because I'm on Man That's Good Barbecue. All right, people, we're gonna get over here now. And we're coming up to my favorite part of the whole cook. Getting over here and getting in my little chair here and putting my feet up. Grabbing a little mason jar there with a little good cold iced tea. It's called hydration. It's kind of hot out here today and we want to do what we got to do to keep it nice and cool. Nothing like a good old mason jar of that iced tea just like grandma used to make. You know, she'd make it out there in the sun there and they call it sun tea. So that's what I'm drinking right now. Man, that's good. Yeah. We're going to get back with y'all in about 2.5 hours and we're going to check on the little piglet and see what it's doing. And from then on, you know, just kind of think of your own creations, you know. I will give another shout out to my people out there. I got people all around the neighborhood here and, you know, we're trying to do a little something, get our little channel started. I want you guys to go ahead and like and subscribe, please. Man, that's good barbecue. Welcome back, fellow YouTubers. I said we're gonna tempt this little piggy and we're gonna see what the temperature is. We're looking for to get 160 or better. If it's about 160 or better on the hams, so we're gonna wrap it in some aluminum foil and we're gonna bring the temperature up to 200. Let's see if we get them right. We're gonna go down here and check in that hind quarter back there. See what we got. We're looking for like 160. Good, it's on its way. We'll check the front, see what the front's going for. But it's not quite there. We'll give it about another 45 minutes to an hour. Get it up to temp. Then we'll take it off and we'll wrap it. That's how we do it down here with South Florida with Man That's Good Barbecue. Don't forget to like and subscribe and tell a friend and share. Thank you. We'll be back with y'all. All right, then we're back at the old grill here. We're gonna check on the little piglet and see what the temperature is and see if we're ready to tent it yet. Gosh. Yeah, look ahead, look like we got something else on the grill here. Got a little beef tips going back there too. We got those, we went ahead and we marinated those in some Jamaican jerk sauce. So we got a little jerk beef back there. But right now we're gonna focus on the little piglet, see what the tip is right now. Okay. Looks like it's tipping out about 135. We'll get him up on the little shoulder part and see what we're looking at. Yeah, looking about 140 over there. On this side over here. Get down into there. Yeah, 135, 140. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and get some aluminum foil and we're gonna tint it and let it go for just a little bit longer. Meanwhile, we're gonna spritz it down so it won't get dry on us. Keep it nice and juicy. Yeah, you gotta keep it moist, gotta keep it moist. Ain't nothing like dry barbecue. You don't want no dry barbecue. All right. Okay, we got them spritzed down real good. We're gonna go ahead and get some aluminum foil. We're gonna tint it and let it go for just a little bit longer. Sure to be ready about another 20-30 minutes. All right. Go on down, put it back to sleep here for a little bit. Let it do its thing. Yeah, you know we're looking good there when you got that nice, you got smoke coming out of there, but it ain't that bad smoke. It's that nice clear stuff coming out. That's when you know you got a good fire going. You don't see no smoke, but you feel plenty of heat coming out of there. She's cooking real good, real good. Around 200 degrees and she's looking sweet. That little piglet starts squealing. We're getting ready to bite him in the hindquarters. Man, that's good. You know what they say, good barbecue. Man, that's good. Okay, fellow YouTubers, we're back here now. We're gonna go ahead and cut the little piglet up. He's ready. And we're gonna cut him up. Get him ready to be eaten. See what he look like underneath this here aluminum foil. Yeah. Get that aluminum foil out of there. There we go. Alrighty. We'll go ahead, get them up across here. Get them chopped up, ready to go. Yeah. Bring them on out. Down there where we go. See how to work with them. There we go. Yeah, she's done. She's ready now. Go ahead and backbone the job. Get it cut. Ready to go. Yeah. Look at that. Falling off the bone already. Yes, sir. Okay. That's what we call cooking right. We're gonna go ahead and take them out here. Come across the top up here. Two shoulder parts. Come down over here. Right near the back strap and the loin. Next to the ribs. Get them cut up. Crack them ribs. Should have a little sharper cleaver there. We're working with what we got. There we go. Nice smoked ring. Get them ribs in there. Look at that. Yeah. There we go. Doing a little hack job because I'm not really that great when it comes to slicing and dicing. doing what it do.
Leave that one together.
We'll go ahead and we'll put them over here in this pan. Got one in the pan. We'll take that back strap, put it on. Let's get old tender piece. Get him cut up real good. And if I can do it, anybody can do it. Ready to go. Nice pink. Nice and pink. We'll go ahead now. Take care of this little back part back here. Little hips, so to speak. Get a couple of side dishes ready. And we're gonna eat. Get that bone off of there. Okay. I'll leave that one in there. We're ready to go. There's that. Got the little pig leg ready to go. We got them beef tips here that we threw in there, and we marinated them in the jerk sauce, so they're seasoned really, really good with that Jamaican jerk sauce there. So as you know, we're multicultural down here in Miami, so we got their jerk sauce going on these here ribs. Make them look really, really good. We're gonna have to make up some sides to go with this, and go with Mr. Piglet, and we're gonna be ready to go. Man, that's good barbecue. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and tell a friend.